Hello, my name is Lacrima and today I want to show you how to use and understand Twitter analytics to raise your engagement. Wait, what? Twitter has analytics? Yes, you got it, and it gives you all the information you need to know for free. So this is my second video about Twitter and I wanted to go in detail with one of the mentioned methods on my previous lesson. If you want to learn how to get 3K Twitter followers as an artist, check out my other video in the info box or description. Now let's explore Twitter analytics. When you're logged in with your account, go to More on the left side of your navigation. As you can see, my Twitter account is in German, but I try my best to find the right words in English. Anyways, everything has the same order, so it might not be confusing at all. Whatever, choose Analytics to open the overview on a new tab. If you didn't activate your analytics yet, it might show you a button which asks you to. Is this the case, your timeline will be empty. Twitter will analyze your tweets starting from the moment you activated it for the first time. If I remember right, it would take a month to show up the first results. It makes pretty much sense since, as you can see, it shows you insights compared to previous months. Let me explain you the different sections in detail. On the top of the page it shows a curve and numbers of your tweets, impressions, profile visits, mentions and followers compared to the last 28 days. This is very interesting because you may want to check out the reasons for the rising or falling of your numbers. As you can see on mine, my tweet curve had been higher some days ago, and as a result my tweet impressions got lower too. Or maybe my content was more interesting on other times. That would be worth to check out. Another interesting thing is that my profile visits are nearly similar to my mentions, which may be a hint that I currently gain more views thanks to adorable people who support me by tags or shoutouts. Thank you so much to those sweet beans, by the way. But let's go a bit deeper. The tweet highlights are a great quick overview what worked best for each month. It shows the most relevant informations of your top tweet, top mention, top follower and top medium with the amount of comment, retweet and likes. You can also take a closer look to the overall impressions in details. For example, how many people clicked by your used hashtags can show you how relevant the hashtags had been to get your tweet seen. In my example it were only 6. So I assume that I catched up a good posting time and a lot of my followers and other people have seen it. I also added a call to action on my tweet to tag other people and also answered and retweeted comments on my thread. Those things can make a huge difference in your tweet engagement. There is also an option to advertise your tweet by using Twitter ads. I have no experience with it, so let's skip that part. Let's take a look to the right side. You can see the overall amount of tweets, profile views, mentions and tweet impressions of the month. When you scroll through the months and you realize, for example, more followers or tweet impressions, your tweet highlights might be worth to compare. What was the difference between your top tweets, top mediums or top mentions? The hashtags? The day? The description? Maybe different call to actions. Or you got mentioned in a well-performing tweet. Take your time to find out why other tweets are performing better than other ones. Sometimes it's pretty obvious and sometimes you just catch the better time to post. When you found out what worked best, try to use the methods again. Some things like art shares, motivations or Follow Friday are worth to do on a schedule to increase your engagement. And if you do some of them consistently, people will remember it and may wait for them and interact. But let's scroll back on the top again. You will see the small navigation. Now we want to have a look on the point called tweets. The default overview shows you every tweet you made in order from latest to oldest, including the numbers of impressions, interactions, and interaction rates. But we want to find out which are the best, right? So let's click on Top Tweets. The tweets will now show up the best tweets on the top from the last 28 days. That's amazing, cause this will help you to compare your most successful tweets with each other and see what they have in common. My analytics show me that my art shares are the best performing tweets I make. So some time ago I invented my own art share theme called Notice Me Senpai, which had been one of my best so far. But when I used trending hashtags like Blue Art or Giving Tuesday, these were the ones who brought me even more engagement. But what all of these have in common are not only they are all art shares, but also include a catchy GIF, call to actions, and trending hashtags. There are more options for analytics like checking out your tweet and answers or your videos, but I'd let you discover this by your own. To me, the most important and helpful features are the default overview of your monthly insights when you open your analytics and the top tweets under the menu Tweets. Okay, this was a lot, so let's sum it up in short. First, activate your Twitter analytics under the menu More. Second, check out your best performing tweets. Third, find out why they work better. And last, try to make similar ones on a schedule if possible. Now you are prepared to learn from your own tweets and start working on your engagement. Have you tried out Twitter analytics yet? What is your favorite function? Share your experience in the comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful time.